How to search and connect with the nearby users on Grindr. Alright, so you have got the Grindr open and you're wondering how to find people right around you. It's actually super straightforward. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to open your Grindr. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be automatically seeing a grid of guys, and this is the home screen. And this is your main nearby view. See how it started. By default, it's usually set to show you the people closest to you, with the farthest away at the bottom. Now, you might want to adjust that a bit. See those filters up at the top? These are the little icon that looks like drag right over here. Now to search the nearby user, what you can do is, as I said earlier, we can do it from the profiles right over here. Then another way is you can see a search bar or the current location written at the top. It's right over here. Simply tap on it. So this is how the map look like. Now simply tap on this current location, which is right over here. Then search a location. It have very few locations as I'm using it from India. Let's search for the Lalitpur. Now let's tap in view profiles. And here going to add a trip. Let's go to a trip. So okay, let's add Lalitpur for now. This is India and the destination have been saved. So this is it. I've entered the location right over here, and you can see you can visit this, but in order to do that you have to boost it. So that's the process of sourcing the nearby user on the Grindr. All this facility is not available to the free users, and I'm the free user, so I may not be able to show you the rest process, but that's the process. And to connect the nearby users, what you can do is, for example, let's select this person right over here. Then this is it, and to message them, simply tap on unlock profile. Here you can see a chat section right over here. Simply tap on it, and that automatically took me to the chat section. So that's the process on how you can search and contact with the nearby users on the Grindr. I hope the process was useful and you have understood everything that I have said in this video. That's all for today's video. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.